Hey, in this video, we're going to talk about how to delete negative items and build a credit file the proper way. So let's get started. As you can see, credit file enhancement done the correct way. So we're going to start with this first file, the 498 credit score before deletion. You'll be able to see we have a bunch of collection accounts that needs to be deleted. Accounts removed after deletion, you have no score. Everything is zero balance, zero accounts. Then we had a 647 from the 498 that we started at, and we build from there. Then we'll be moving on to the next file. This is called a thin file. No information, no score. Zero accounts, zero collection, nothing at all. We're at 736 after adding. Once we attain the score, we're able to just build credit from there. By doing that, we're able to actually build a strong file. Feel free to contact us for more information on our services. Thank you.